Hello Lean Startup Meetup, my name is Matt Murray and I'm the founder and director of Loki camera gear. We make a product called the Loki One, which is the world's most compact and versatile rig for hybrid photographers and videographers. Basically unfolds into 3 different modes, enabling you to capture a range of really cinematic shots on the go without having to lug around big bulky bits of equipment. But I'm here today because Mark, who I imagine is playing you this video, asked if I could just tell you a little bit about my experience of using Lean Canvas for launching a product business. So when we first discovered Lean Canvas was actually at the Design Council Spark product accelerator that we were on last year and was introduced to us by Mark. So at that stage we used the Lean Canvas to map basically the entire business, so looking at all of our different customers, of which maybe one's an early adopter, then the channels, problems, solutions and all the rest. And then Mark, who's our business coach, said, well, why don't we go back and actually use the Lean Canvas and sort of drill down into the business in a bit more detail. So for example, our main early adopters are these hybrid photographer, videographers. So they've got their own Lean Canvas now. And this is because their problems and the solutions that our rig solves for them are actually very different to the problems and solutions and what's unique for the rig maybe for a film production company. What was really helpful about using Lean Canvas as a tool for launching a product is we were now able to say, okay, we're not trying to sell this to anyone that shoots video. We're trying to sell it to this really specific group of people. This is the problem, this is what the solution is for them. This is why our product is unique and this is the hook that's going to engage them. And as a lean startup, we don't have huge budgets to spend on marketing. So this means by really understanding our early adopter, really kind of drilling down into that customer problem, solution, what's going to engage them. When we now go and do things like sort of online advertising, marketing, trade shows, we can really focus our marketing messages. We can focus, what's the one-line hook that is going to engage this customer type. And we found this is helpful. One of the things Mark really sort of highlighted for us as well was when we were at a trade show recently, something like 30,000 people attending the show. That can seem quite overwhelming and you think, well, how on earth I can't speak to 30,000 people in 4 days. And he pointed out that actually we're not trying to speak to 30,000 people. Of those 30,000, there's maybe about 2,000 who are actually this early adopter customer that we want to engage with. We now found we get much better engagement, we found we get much better conversations when we're at the show. People really sort of spend time and really kind of understand what we're talking about because we understand what they're talking about. And we can kind of ask the right leading opening questions that gets them opening up about the problems that they're facing. And you can say, oh great, you've told me all these problems. Oh, look, here's a solution. So again, with these A/B tests, it's something that's been useful. It's helped us evaluate who the customers we should be reaching out to first are. It's helped us evaluate the message we give to those customers. And it's helped with how we engage with them in real life and online. And one of the other things, I guess, about having this clarity is we're having the right conversations with customers. So they're also telling us what additional products they want to see coming into the product family, what modules they want added onto this product because it's a modular product. And we can now look at the problem solutions they have and say, okay, what other products can we come in and innovate with and really develop and create something brand new. So hopefully this has been helpful. If you have any questions specifically about our product and the business, how we used it, chat to Mark and I'm more than happy for him to pass on our details. But best of luck with your lean startup and do connect with us on Facebook, LinkedIn, any social media channels for Loki Camera Gear. Thank you.